we are very much elated that most of the programs we've been carrying out on HIV prevention has really touched so many lives, and we are really very much encouraged by some of the responses, some of the critiques we are receiving from our viewers. We encourage you to continue giving us these critiques so that we can improve our programs and ensure that we reach as many people as possible. Because when we spread this news, it's like a gospel going out there to so many people. So the best option is click and subscribe to ensure that more people get information. And when you do that, it becomes very, very welcome to us, because it makes us really realize that we are reaching as many people as possible out there, and we've got people who are helping us to spread this word. We've been having so many series on HIV prevention and AIDS prevention, and your response, surely, I repeat, very overwhelming. So today again, I'm bringing you another episode where we really want to focus on prevention. The best prevention, number one, is to ensure that you get tested. The test kits are now available in very many community organizations in Minnesota and across the US. So go grab your kit, start by testing yourself, and when you turn positive, it's not a death sentence. The best option for you to do now is to talk to your health provider, who can walk you through on the available medications or treatments which is out there. And the most recent, I can tell you that we've got information that there's some pills you only take once in a month, and there's another pill coming out which is yet to be given a go ahead by the FDA, whereby you'll only be taking one pill in 6 months. And who knows, maybe one pill in a year. But before we go to that particular stage, the best option for you is to get tested first. So get tested first, and know your status. By knowing your status, you'll have protected your family, you'll have protected your spouse, and by extension, your extended family. Not only your extended family, but your community at large. So this is a wonderful time for you to go out there and get tested. We want to eradicate this monster called AIDS from our community. And every hand should be on the deck to ensure this thing is achieved. So spread the word out there. Test kits are available. You can pick it from various community organizations who are actually, let me say, who are licensed to have them, or to carry them, or to stock them, so that you can go and test yourself. It's private. Nobody is going to ask you, do it here. No, you just grab that test kit, you go to your house, you can lock all the doors and do the test. And before you do the test, you have got two options. Either you have it or you don't have it. So if you have it, be encouraged that there are so many medications, new methodologies out here to help you stay positive in life. And I can repeat to you that there are people who have had AIDS for over 48 years today, and they have actually made it. That is wonderful. So the best option for you to do is, please try your level best to make it possible for you to live a better life. Taking some drastic changes in your life will ensure that you get the best quality of life if you test. So we urge our community out there to, first of all, go out, grab the test kits so that you can know your status. By knowing your status, you can now plan ahead. We don't want you to get this thing by surprise. We don't want you to get opportunistic diseases which will knock you down pretty fast. And by the time you are realizing that you've got AIDS, it is too late. And you know, AIDS does not give people enough time to fight, because it kills your immune system. So if your immune system is compromised, you really have very few chances of living. So the best option is start today. Go grab the test kits, know your status, and by knowing your status, you will have really helped your family at large, or your community at large, or your country at large, to ensure we eradicate this monster from our community. And for those who are sexually active, the best way of preventing AIDS is abstinence. That's number one. The number two is to use protective measures to ensure that you don't transmit it to your partner. And then the number three option, we have what we call prophylaxis, PrEP, whereby you are given medications to prevent you to get infected. So if you know all these three options, the very best way possible is for you to go out there and do the necessary. Do the necessary. Do justice, not only to you, but to your partners. And the fourth method I can tell you is to use protective measures like using condoms and all that. So the best way you can really help the community is to ensure that you protect the community. You are the first line of protection. So do your honest part. Ensure that our medical professionals are well taken care of. Our medical professionals don't get infected, because most of them have really gotten this disease through pricking of the needles, or by when they are doing transfusion of blood from using the transfusion methods, whereby blood can spill, and then if it's exposed to a cut wound, then it becomes a problem. Then they actually get infected. So the very best option for you is, please, we urge you to go out there and get tested. That is what we can really tell you. Medical professionals have been calling our station and telling us, okay, this is good. We are on the right direction. We are on the right path. But we urge our people to continue listening to the new methodology of treatment of HIV and AIDS. The brochures are out there. You can even go to the Minnesota Department of Health or to the CDC website and learn more about AIDS. So what I can tell you is that immediately you realize that you are infected, don't get discouraged. Volunteer yourself to your medical practitioners or health practitioners. They'll help you to forge or to formulate a way for you to get treated. And the beauty part is that there are some organizations out here who are even helping you on the very best way to ensure that your nutrition is up to date. They even give free meals for you to ensure that you live healthy. And by living healthy, it means that things are actually pretty good for you. You can plan for your kids if you've got children. You can even plan to get married and get children who are HIV negative if you follow the procedures given by your health providers. So we urge you to make a step, do your honest part, do it today by grabbing the test kits and know your status. Thank you. And as we always say, from our community, may God bless you. Thank you.